this train and it is currently barreling full speed towards that giant pit over there.
We're also crashing countless cars, blowing up thousands of sticks of real dynamite, and even putting 10 jet engines on a car, just to show you the most insane experiments of all time, starting with filling a house with over 100,000 fireworks. Please do not try this in your house. For this experiment, each of the boys will hide.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप? उम्मीद है आप अच्छे होंगे। हमारी पहली दो वीडियो पसंद आई है, इस वीडियो को देखें। आज की जो वीडियो है ये मिस्टर बीस्ट के ऊपर है, जो दुनिया का मशहूर तीन यूट्यूबर हैं। उनके काफ़ी चैनल है, एक चैनल उसमें ये भी है कि जिसके ऊपर वो एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं। तो ये वीडियो कल ही अपलोड हुई है, तो मैं सोचा कि हम भी रिएक्शन करते हैं इसके ऊपर, देखते क्या होता है। तो हमने काफ़ी देखा है कि लोग एक गेम है उसके अंदर एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, गाड़ियाँ तोड़ते हैं, लेकिन इसके अंदर मिस्टर बीस्ट बिल्कुल हकीकत बताया है कैसे गाड़ी में गिरती कैसे। तो बेचारा वक्त ज़ाया नहीं करते, वीडियो देते हैं। तो आप लोग भी देखें, हम भी देखते हैं, आए देखते हैं कि वीडियो कैसी है।
I just bought this train and it is currently barreling full speed towards that giant pit over there.
We're also crashing countless cars, blowing up thousands of sticks of real dynamite, and even putting 10 jet engines on a car, just to show you the most insane experiments of all time, starting with filling a house with over 100,000 fireworks. Please do not try this in your house. For this experiment, each of the boys will hide a dummy in my new house to see if it's even possible to survive.
Oh my God.
Water and fire don't mix. My mannequin is going to survive.
Mine's in the fridge.
Go in, come on. Let's blow this house up. Hey, be careful.
100,000.
If you accidentally press 1, the house explodes.
Oh my goodness.
Where's your mannequin?
Dummies.
Fridge. Under the washer.
Tree?
Front porch.
Oh yeah, it's sitting right there.
This is gonna be the coolest
Yeah,
thing
you can
you've
make it
ever
out
seen in
here.
your life. Yes! 5, 4,
केयरफुल
3,
अपने
2,
ये मुझे लगता है काफी दूर खड़े हैं।
fire in the hole!
ये कंटेनर मेरे ख्याल में कंटेनर के अंदर खड़े हैं।
What happened to the house? I can't even see it anymore.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
I don't think our mannequins are going to make it.
The house burned down all night until there was literally nothing
Oh,
left, including all the mannequins. Next
पूरा
experiment.
तबाह हो चुका है।
We're about to play tug of war between this real military tank and these two school buses. And the
Oh
loser
my
gets
God.
dragged into this pit.
There's no way the tank loses.
बिल्कुल जल गया हो चुका है,
Obviously,
खत्म हो
people
चुका
can't be
है।
in these vehicles because they'll die when they fall in the pit.
So this remote
Next
actually controls
experiment.
the tank.
This feels illegal.
3, 2, 1,
जो
go!
स्कूल बस एक टैंक खींचेगा, देखते हैं कौन किसको खींच रहा है।
The buses are done for.
Oh my god.
हम मोड़ से कंट्रोल करेंगे। ये अच्छी बात है कि किसी ज्यादा नुकसान नहीं होता। Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh shit!
Do you hear the buses?
Holy shit!
It's horns going off. We're gonna go investigate the bottom of the pit to see the
वो
buses.
गिर गई।
Oh god.
Oh no! I need to stop
गिर
looking down
गई
this
बस
turn.
गिर
Stop
गई।
moving!
I'm not moving.
We're in the pit. Oh my gosh, bro! Look at that. Why'd the bus
Oh
think it
my
could beat the
God.
tank?
I don't think it did.
Later in this video, a train's gonna come off those tracks and land
बस
right
गिर गई।
about
अब
there.
जैसे कौन
But
सा
before we
नेक्स्ट
do that,
टर्न है?
this is $50,000 and it is
नहीं जा रहा है,
surrounded
आज
by
चेक करने जा
thousands
रहे
of
हैं,
pounds
ये
of TNT.
And this is Will. What's up, guys? See that crate in the field?
Yeah.
Oh man. That is around 1% of the explosives surrounding this money.
अब नेक्स्ट कौन था?
Yeah, you'll be fine. Here's my
$50,000।
credit card. Spend as much money as you want to
Put
protect
that
this
in.
50 grand. I don't care if you use wood, bricks, or even steel to protect this money.
Oh, no.
Whatever's left of this 50 grand when that TNT blows up, you
1%
keep. Good luck
for-
building walls. All right, let's make $50,000. He doesn't stand a chance. The first thing Will did was buy 12 industrial
उसने अपने
water
कार दे
containers
दिया,
and
कैसे
fill them
कार?
with 20,000 pounds of water.
I'm really worried that Jimmy's TNT is
उसका
going to get through this.
And
एक
he should
जगह
be,
जिया
because
लगा
this
देंगे,
isn't
ब्लो
even
लगा
close to
देंगे।
enough to stop the TNT.
अगर बच गए तो ठीक है, ना बचे तो फिर भी
In
इससे
a
कुछ नहीं
previous
मिलेगा।
video, we put a jet engine on a car and it jumped over 8 buses. So this time we put
मुझे
10
लग रहा है कि
jet
बच
engines on the car,
जाएंगे
and we're gonna
जितना
see if
ये
it flies
प्रोडक्शन
10
कर रहे हैं
times
ना
farther.
बच जाएंगे
When this car flies off this ramp, I think it's gonna go past all the buses into the trees.
I think it's gonna hit the first bus.
Our guesses couldn't be further apart. He's currently matrixed into the car, so he sees what the car sees. Chris!
Hey! Oh, should we move?
Yeah, we're sending a rocket car.
Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1, send the jet car!
ओके
The car is coming straight at us.
I lost signal.
Maybe we should jump.
I'm straightening it.
Oh my god! Yeah! What the heck? Whoa, wait. We broke the ramp.
I think it was a success.
Yes. The jet car easily cleared
Oh my-
multiple buses and literally left a crater.
पहले पार
I love how this block of engines just.
पार तो गए गाड़ी को भेज को गए
Oh, and smoking. And now we are back at the giant pit. If you jump in this deep pit and land on 1,000 bouncy balls, would you die?
I'd love to know.
You're only catch.
ओए सर भी दे देती है क्या हो गया
Oh,
ताकत निकले हैं
you
वो
completely missed. Luckily, we have more mannequins. Will it survive?
नेक्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट
Oh, buckets!
Jimmy,
Oh
what if we
no
drop the car on it?
I think you know what's about to happen.
और बाहर गिर गया अंदर नहीं गया उसके अंदर गया
Clearly, that mannequin didn't survive. Next bit. Meanwhile, Will was desperately trying to protect his $50,000. He's honestly taking this way more
ओए
seriously
कितनी
than
महंगी
we thought
गाड़ी
he would.
फेंक दी
In
इन
the
लोगों
past
ने
4 days, I've hired some professionals and we've already built the cinder block wall, filled it with matches, and we're already on our second cinder block wall. This dynamite is not getting through.
You blew my expectations out of the water. How about this? If you let me
Oh,
double the
that's
TNT,
good.
I'll double the money.
But-
So
but the
100
one
grand,
guy,
double the
the
TNT.
Yeah, but if it blows it up, you get nothing.
मुझे लगा कि ये जो
Okay,
50,000
okay,
डॉलर है वो
okay,
कुछ
okay.
नहीं
While
होगा
he kept working, the boys and I went bowling. And the bowling balls are these cars.
I'm ready to see some destruction.
Let's see if I get a strike. Hey, first bowl strike.
Oh, it's not going straight.
It's coming our direction. We should
डन हो
move. We
गया
should
वो
move. We should
1
move.
लाख डॉलर
Oh, into the field. There it goes. Oh, it's turning around. Oh, it's coming back.
Oh, God.
It's coming back. The car's got a mind of its own. It's
भाई क्या मिला है
Take number 2. Oh, that's a perfect strike.
घूम गई
Let's go.
I love cars
नहीं
hitting
घूम
things.
गई
And if you're wondering, the other car is still going in circles. During this bit, me and the boys have been
ये
wearing
मुझे
some
लग रहा है वो
brand new
गेम खेल रहे
designs,
हैं
which
जो
you can now buy on our new store,
गेम फेंकते हैं वो मुझे उसका नाम नहीं
3,
आता
2, 1.
5 6
We
गए
switched from
थे
shopmrbeast.com, which was very
यार
long,
ये
Move over,
कितनी
move over.
to
महंगी गेम खेल रहे हैं
MrBeast.store. Oh my
तो भी
god!
कहाँ से
No way!
Oh, we just about died.
I'm gonna show
और
you how to
मिस्टर
just
बीस्ट
hit
स्टोर
a full strike.
नाइस
Okay.
All right, here comes the strike, baby.
A .store domain is the perfect choice for anyone looking to sell anything online.
That was the worst throw
और
yet.
ना कितने गए बता नहीं
That
कितने
was the
गए
best throw yet.
That was awesome. If you're looking to set up a store,
अब देखते
it should be a
कितने
.store domain, so your customers clearly
Oh,
know
no.
that your website is a store.
This is Carl's car.
1 2
Unlike
3 4
.com,
5 7
MrBeast.store
Sarah
tells the
gaya.
world that the website is my store.
अब ये देते हैं ये कितने
Don't forget to
Yeah,
head to
well,
MrBeast.store and buy our brand new merch right now.
इसने एक भी
Since I
नहीं गया और
doubled
ये
Will's money
डैमेज
and TNT,
के साथ
he's completed a
लड़ चुकी है
7-layer fortress of 20,000 pounds of water,
Mr.
mattresses,
Beast
a cinder block wall,
अब
more
ये-
mattresses, a
ये अभी तक
second
तैयार
cinder
नहीं हुआ।
block wall, an additional 32,000 pounds of water, all packed in with a
20,000
final wall
लीटर
of dirt.
पानी
But I actually have another layer that Jimmy knows
Matters.
nothing about.
Jimmy will never see this one coming.
What?
मट्टी
Hey,
ब्लॉक
Jimmy! How am I
Fucking
supposed to
yeah.
blow up
1 lakh
Beastables? That's the
dollars.
point! And with the TNT doubled, it's time to
Chocolate.
put Will's bunker to the test. I also brought number
Interesting, yeah,
40 from 1
interesting.
through 100 back to help us blow up all this TNT. You're in charge of the button. Don't press anything yet. Okay. Moment of truth! Hershey's. Eat Feastables. We have waited our entire lives for this moment. This is going to be epic. Nolan! Send the train! The train's coming! Let's do
मुझे
this!
लगा गिर जाएगी यार ये बहुत महंगा
Here it goes.
एक्सपेरिमेंट करता है Oh my god. Okay. वो डब्ल्यू भी गया.
Oh my god!
Oh shit. Oh my god. दो बस ही हुई है. एक इंजन भी आ चुका है. इस पर मेरी गाड़ी भी.
That might have been the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life.
You're kidding me?
Yeah, my mannequin did
Oh my
some.
Train versus pit. The pit
इंजन
won.
फट गया. ओके गाइस, उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. वीडियो पसंद आई है मुकम्मल वीडियो देखने के लिए इसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगा. आप ये भी जाकर देख सकते हैं अच्छी तरह 22 के में. ठीक है, तो उम्मीद है आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आई लाइक करें, शेयर करें, वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करें. इस तरह आप लोग सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, हम अच्छी वीडियो लेकर आते रहेंगे. तो आज के लिए हमें दे इजाज़त. अल्लाह हाफिज़.